Hey guys, welcome back. كيف بعد الظهر؟ أنا بخير وأنت؟ نص صوتي هناك. هذا هو شوت توكانو في تيار حرب. So these are shots Tucano. You can see, maybe I started previous in this video. So remember, these are prototypes. So this is not the main one, but this will be used for future designs. So what actually I'm doing is I was doing wind testing on my wings. So you can see the leading edge there. So this is 2/3, so the other third will fit here. Same thing on the other side. And then I'm just going to drop, I realize I need 2 spar, but I can just drop 1 big spar. But because of the large wings, and also we're looking at the wing loading. Now when you have a large wing, we have a large surface area. The advantages in the effective lift will be higher. But I'm looking at if the lift increases, lift overweight, we don't have load factor, so the load factor can actually increase. And the load factor will have a tendency when you pitch high angles, the wing may bend. So that's why we need, just make a decision once I test this one. So my load test is, once the aircraft is almost complete, I'm actually going to put 2.5 Gs on the wings. That's called the static test. So I'm going to put that. And also on the horizontal there, I'll still do the same. I need 1. Apparently I mishandled and it broke one side, so I'll still need to put a solid spar there. What else? Maybe come on this side, then you can actually see how it looks. So you can see my bulkheads. So I got a couple of bulkheads there, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, and then I've got frames formers. That's my bubble canopy, nice and well. So I'm going to tuck in the wings, a low wing. I'm going to put a 5-degree dihedral. So I'm just going to tilt this wing like that, fireproof, and then I'm going to put my motor there. I was looking at a 50,000 RPM motor, but one thing with aviation, with aircraft, we have torque and we have RPM. So torque is more important. That's the one that gives you high horsepower than just high RPM. So you'd rather go for a high torque than a high RPM. A good example with a Dash AQ400, it only goes at 1020 RPM. A Caravan will be at 1800, so you see that difference. But at 1020 you have more torque, so you're converting the torque RPM into torque. Look at that leading edge, come out nice and clear. So guys, tell me what you think. So I'm just going to do slowly, put the skin of the aircraft, finish the horizontal stabilizer. I've realized for my flight controls, instead of using ailerons so that I don't stress them, I'm going to use the rudder. So you can see the rudder there. So I'm going to put my control cables, push-pull rods, control horns, and same thing with my elevator. So only, remember tomorrow's Tuesday, I have to go to work, so I guess I'll continue next Saturday. So next Saturday, guys, let's see how it goes. So thank you very much. Shukran Najid. Assalam. Adios.